how to evaluate if the question is in the form fx dx upon ax square plus bx plus c, where degree of fx is 2 or greater than 2. Now what are the working rules? Let's write it. Now step number 1, divide fx by the denominator by ax square plus bx plus c and write fx as qx with ax square plus bx plus c plus px plus q. After division and the remainder we will be getting in this format. Now step 2, integral reduces to integration of qx dx plus integration of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. Step 3, write I is equal to I1 plus I2 and mention I1 and I2. Step 4, solve I1 is equal to integration of qx dx. Step 5, solve as discussed. Last step, combine the result of I1 and I2. So if the question is in this format, then we have to approach for these steps.